Have you ever opened your Contacts app only to find some of your contacts mysteriously vanished into thin air? You're not alone, and I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue and make sure your contacts stay put. So without wasting any time, let's start. Solution 1. Turn off and on iCloud contacts. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud from here. Then click on See All from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the Contacts option. Then toggle it off. And hit Keep on My iPhone from the pop-up menu. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle the contacts on again. Then hit the Merge option from here. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the Contacts app. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down a little and tap on Show All. Then find and tap on Contacts from here. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Then tap on Offload app and it will be offloaded. Now just tap on Reinstall app and the Contacts app will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Update iOS to the latest version. To do this, open up the Settings app again. Tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, just download and install it. Then check if the issue is solved. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. For this one, open up the Settings app once more. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. If not, log out, then log back into your Apple ID and that will surely fix the issue. That's how you fix missing contacts on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them soon. Thanks for watching.